Hey, so in this video we're going to talk about how to get a girl to obsess about you, and the reason I'm making this video is because I got a guy who wrote in with an email asking this question. So let's get into the email and we'll work through this and find out the best way to deal with his situation. Hey Chris, so I've got this problem with my girlfriend. I find myself always thinking about her, and this is causing problems for me because I can't concentrate on work and I can't concentrate on anything at all. I've never been so into a girl and we just get along great that the more time I spend with her, the more I like her. This has never happened to me before and it's driving me crazy. It's like she's got this hold over me, like some kind of spell. So if she's got a spell over you and she's getting you to focus all of your attention onto her, that tells me that she's in the power position in the relationship. She's doing things that are causing tension. She's pulling away from you. She's not responding to your messages. You're sending more messages than her. She's making you work harder to get her attention because she knows that she already has your attention. She already knows that she has your interest, so she feels empowered. And if she pulls away, she's going to create a lot of anxiety, a lot of tension, and this is going to make you obsessed over her because you don't know where you stand. And if you know where you stand, you won't be feeling this way. But when you don't know where you stand, the same is true with women. When they don't know where they stand, they start to get obsessed. That's one key to getting a girl to focus and obsess over you and to turn the tables, is to make her unsure about where she stands in the relationship. He goes on, "The reason I'm writing to you is because I don't know why she's driving me crazy and I'm so obsessed with her. I feel like I want to turn the tables and get her to chase me and be obsessed with me. This would make me feel much more comfortable. If you could help me get my power back and get back into the driving seat, I would really appreciate it." Well, part of the reason why you don't feel comfortable is because she's making you feel anxious. And anytime you feel anxious in a relationship, it focuses your attention on the source of anxiety, in this case, the woman. If you had another problem going on, you had a court case, you had some kind of other issue, money problems, your mind, you'll notice, focuses on those problems because you focus, as humans, we focus on the source of anxiety, and the same is true with the relationships. If she's making you feel anxious or tense, it's going to make you focus on her even more. She's creating sexual tension, which creates more interest. It's not comfortable. It's not going to make you feel happy in the relationship, but it's great for desire, it's great for attraction. You need to get her to feel the same things. How do you do that? You start doing what she does to you. If she's pulling away from you, she's not responding to your messages, she's not giving you that much attention, you want to mirror her and do exactly the same thing, because if you do that, she will also feel a lot of anxiety and tension, and she will start to focus on you. So the first piece of advice I would give you, if you want to get into the driver's seat in the relationship, you want to get her to obsess over you, is you need to make her uncertain about where she stands in the relationship. That's tip number one. Tip number two, you need to get into the dominant position. You need to make her feel as though you are higher value than her. And to be higher value, you have to work on your value. It's no good pulling away from her, being less responsive, creating all this tension if you don't really have any innate inbuilt value. So as a man, you've always got to create a lot of value. How do you create a lot of value? Focus on your purpose, focus on your mission, focus on yourself, get selfish, because that means that you're going to focus on what you want to do, and you're going to invest in yourself first, and then you can start to invest in other people. You can start to spread that value around, but you need to build your value first before you start to focus on other people and give them too much value. So the key to get a woman obsessed is to basically pull away from her, mirror her, make her uncertain about the way she feels, because that's scientifically proven to make a woman more attracted. Second of all, you want to get into the power up position where she's focused on you and she feels as though you're the high value person in the relationship. If you want to know how to do this in detail, I highly recommend you get a copy of my book, Atomic Attraction. You can pick up your copy today by clicking on the link below or by going to Amazon.com. Till next time, see ya.